Very exciting stuff. Let's move to the next, perhaps the most popular feature during the period of that we've had with the pandemic was EON-XR meetings. So go from the flat experience to something much more exciting where you can have your participants joining from various corners of the world, and you sign up, you launch your meeting. You can then experience that object or that environment in either augmented reality or virtual reality or mobile reality for that matter. So this is mobile reality, very simple. This is actually, and here you are in augmented reality, you physically walk on a place and you can enjoy this have with people in the same place, so they can be in the same room, or they can be in different locations, or they can be a mix of same room, and that's spanning from single objects all the way to full environments. Very, very exciting solution. And I think very helpful during the pandemic. And again, same principle here. We are not limited to have it for just one modality. We have it also for things like Magic Leap. And the benefit with AR glasses is obviously that you have your hands free. So you can see that Jan there is in another location. He's interacting with this and preparing him for takeoff by and that really collaboration between the two locations and even in the same location is fascinating. Last but not least, a very popular feature is called Search Assist. And what is that? Is the ability when you get a model in EON, and let's say you haven't put, you want to inject annotation, let's say the annotation is there for each object, but you also want to put memos, information about that annotation, let's say the nozzle of the racket. Rather than you going and gathering information on the internet and placing it there, the system can do it for you. So you can, we are using something called the scrape technology, enabling to extract data and give you suggestion what to put, and actually without ever leaving your application. So that's, I think, really cool. There's lots of other things that we don't have time. You can create your own workspace. You will have where all your applications are there. You can create your own playlist with, or for students with the lessons that you want them to have. You can also be in offline mode, meaning that you can download things when you are in a location, in a remote location, so you don't have time for that. Let me just enjoy my coffee here just a second. And these features enable you to have that ease of use irrespective of location. You can also create a very vivid interaction, whether it's in 2D, 3D, or even 360. So here you can see some examples of that.
So today we are going to review some aspects of the hidden economy that are relevant for neurosurgical approaches and pathology.
So yeah, I'm embedding these experiences with lessons, features in a very good way, and I can combine this with introductions, with explanations, with animations, etc. How about the admin site? So the first thing is going to happen when you get the platform is you're going to have a session with one of our experts. In this case, it's Marcin. Let's listen in.
EON-XR lead admin section. We will look on the first.
Yeah, so what he's talking about here is just a second. Yeah, so he's talking about lead admin, how the backend works, how you set up your students, what is it you need to do when you get into the platform, and all the aspects necessary to have a successful setup.